Ever found yourself needing to communicate but held back by language barriers? Ever wished for a tool that could easily translate your thoughts into any language? Imagine being in a foreign country, trying to ask for directions, or perhaps you're connecting with a business partner overseas. Maybe you're just curious about learning a new language. In all these instances and more, a language barrier can be a daunting hurdle. Well, your wishes have been granted with Google Translator, a tool designed to break down all language barriers. Google Translator, a free multilingual neural-machine translation service, offers instant text translation in over 100 languages. Imagine a world where language isn't a hurdle, but a medium that connects cultures. Thanks to our digital companion, Google Translator. It's more than just a translation tool. It's a key that unlocks a world of possibilities. Consider its user-friendly interface, enabling you to effortlessly translate text, voice, images, even entire websites and real-time video from one language to another. It's like a universal translator in your pocket. Moreover, its high accuracy ensures you grasp not only the words but the essence of the conversation. And the breadth of supported languages, over 100. Let's not forget about its offline mode, conversation mode, and transcription mode, all designed to make communication seamless, irrespective of your location or internet connection. It's more than just a gadget, it's your personal interpreter. With Google Translator, language is no longer a barrier but a bridge connecting people from different cultures and backgrounds. Imagine the power of understanding and speaking any language at your fingertips. With Google Translator, this power is yours. It enhances communication, turning language barriers into bridges of understanding. It fosters education, allowing you to grasp concepts in different tongues. It promotes cultural exchange, letting you dive into the depths of diverse cultures. Google Translator doesn't just translate words, it translates perspectives. So, why wait? Give Google Translator a try today and experience a world without language barriers.